Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about multi-masking for acne prone skin and also how I take care of my skin when it's at its worst. Now by worst I mean situations where my skin just does not cooperate and it just keeps breaking out like all over. Usually this happens when the weather changes, like when it transitions from summer to winter or from winter to summer. That is when my skin just does not know how to react to these weather changes and it breaks out so badly. Like usually when I get acne, it's these pimples filled with pus, but during these times there are no pimples. I just get these tiny bumps, red bumps all over my skin, and the situation is so out of control that no matter how many products I use, no matter what I eat, drink or do for my skin just refuses to cooperate. So at these times I just have to let my skin be, let it calm down on its own before I can actually treat the situation. So once my skin calms down, that is when I start applying products slowly and gradually, and I just apply like two products. The first one is a face wash, and I just use a face wash once a day, and the second one is a clay mask. Now clay masks really help in calming my skin down and really help in treating my acne. And apart from that, I don't use any other products, no serums, no moisturizers. A moisturizer only when my skin feels extremely dry, otherwise no other products at all. I don't even wear makeup on these days. I just keep my skin as bare as possible. Usually it's the clay masks that really help me, really help my skin get out of that situation, and I go for a combination of two clay masks. So the first one is this 5% niacinamide clay mask by the Dermaco, and the second one is this 2% salicylic acid clay face mask by the Dermaco. Now both of these face masks contain active ingredients, that is salicylic acid and niacinamide, and I have a lot of knowledge about these active ingredients and how they work on the skin because I recently took up a masterclass by Dermaco where they explained everything about active ingredients and how they work in making your skin better. So if you get a chance to attend this masterclass, definitely do so. You're gonna learn a lot of new things about how to take care of your skin. And the best part is that Dermaco discloses the percentage of active ingredients in their products. That way I know exactly what I'm putting on my skin. Like this face mask contains 2% of salicylic acid and this one contains 5% of niacinamide. So I know exactly how much amount of product I'm putting on my skin. And also these are like really safe and effective on the skin as well, because when my skin just does not behave, when no products suit my skin, these still come handy, these still suit my skin. So they are very safe for extremely sensitive skin like mine too. So before I get into the demo and show you how to use these products for situations like these, let me just give you a close-up of my skin. So this is how my skin looks like currently. As you can see, I have tiny bumps remaining on the side of my face, whereas on my entire face the bumps have completely gone because of the salicylic acid clay face mask. But there are a couple of marks on my skin. If you see, there are some tiny marks on my skin left, and that's gonna be gone too soon with the help of this niacinamide clay face mask. So this is how you're exactly supposed to use these face masks. So you're supposed to do spot treatment of these face masks. So this 2% salicylic acid face mask I only use on the areas where I have acne. So on the side of my cheek I still have tiny bumps. I'm going to be using this clay face mask only over here. This also contains kaolin clay, which helps to clarify your skin, and it's also got activated charcoal in there, which helps to deeply purify your skin by removing all of the pollution from your pores. This face mask is the reason why all of the bumps on the rest of my face have gone so fast, because if I wouldn't have used this face mask, it would have taken weeks for the bumps to finally go away, but this made them go away really fast. This has salicylic acid in there, and salicylic acid helps to deal with acne, pimples and also whiteheads and blackheads. And how it does that is that it helps to declog your pores and it removes all of the acne causing bacteria from your skin. So that helps to subside the current acne, and it also helps to control excessive sebum production, which helps to prevent future acne. So this is great for acne prone skin. And once all of the acne goes away, I go in with this niacinamide clay face mask. and this helps to deal with acne marks. So I just apply this all over my face, and also sometimes only on the areas where I just have acne marks. Now since my skin like broke out like throughout, I make it a point to apply it all over my face so that not even one mark is left uncovered. Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3, and this helps to fade away any sort of hyperpigmentation that you have, be it acne marks, dark spots, pigmented patches on your skin, around your mouth, around your nose, or anywhere. It helps to fade all of these things away, and it helps to even out your skin and give you evened complexion. And along with niacinamide, this face mask also contains kaolin clay, which helps to clarify your skin, and along with that it also contains chamomile extract, which is really soothing and calming for your skin. So this is how I multi-mask. This is how I get rid of my acne, pimples and my acne marks at the same time. And these are the two face masks that really help to calm my skin down, to soothe it, and to deal with my acne and pimples really fast. So when my skin just doesn't listen to me, it just doesn't listen to any of the products, these are the two products that really help out my skin and make them all better. So the combination of both of these face masks can be used twice a week. They are really safe to use twice a week, and the best time to use them is either at night before you go to bed, or in the morning like after you've had a bath. These are the best timings to use these two face masks. It only takes about 5 to 7 minutes to dry, and once it has dried, I just remove it with this wet tissue. It's actually a cotton pad, it's wet. This is like the most effective way of removing a face mask. And let me just give you a close-up of my skin now. As you can see, even though my skin was like so irritated, it had like so many bumps going on and everything just like a couple of days ago, by applying the face mask my skin looks more calm, more soothed, and the appearance of those acne have instantly minimized too. Like if you can see, they look quite smaller and less redder than they were. So this is exactly what the face masks do to my skin. They help in like treating all of the acne or the bumps, pimples, anything like super duper fast. They help in like fading away all of the acne marks as well really fast. And yeah, they are both very calming and soothing clay masks. Clay masks are the best kind of face mask that you can use on sensitive skin, especially when your skin is irritated, because they only help in calming your skin down and relaxing your skin and in helping it heal. So yeah, this is how I multi-mask, and these are the two Derma-Co clay masks that help my skin heal during its rough times. So I highly recommend you check both of these products out. They're available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, and also at Derma-Co's website. So yeah, that is how I take care of my skin when it's at its worst, and that is how I multi-mask using these Derma-Co clay masks. I hope this video was helpful for you all. In case if you try out this technique when your skin is just not cooperating, then let me know in the comments below how this works out for you. And just in general also, if you have acne, pimples, or if you have acne marks, you can use these clay masks to heal your skin and to make it all better. So in case if you end up using these products out, do let me know in the comments below how they work out for you. And also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. And yeah, that is a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.